Hey guys, my name is Kelsey Wiebe. I am a holistic life coach and a NASM certified personal trainer and nutrition coach, and I specialize in helping women to heal their relationship with food so that they can show up fully present in a life and in a body that they love. So I started my online coaching business and group programs about a year and a half ago, after I experienced my own recovery with eating disorders. It was just really difficult for me to be in the fitness industry, working as a personal trainer and feeling like a total hypocrite, feeling like I was telling people what to do and how to be healthy, and they were looking for me for advice when I felt completely out of control with food. Like, I felt like I was thinking about food all of the time. I would do so good and then I would just lose it at night, and I was really embarrassed. And then I found intuitive eating about a year and a half ago and realized what was wrong and realized that it was this diet mentality, and recognized just how obsessed I had become. And now I'm on a mission to help more women break free from that cycle, break free from the obsession of food, of what we should or shouldn't be eating, break free from always thinking about our weight or not feeling good in our skin. And more importantly for me, to be a really good role model for other women, and especially our children, our daughters, to really help them grow into their bodies and really feel comfortable in their skin and have a really good relationship with food at a young age and beyond. All right, 5 things that people don't know about me. Let's see, number 1, I have a motorcycle. Her name's Rosie. She's red. She's a Yamaha V-Star 650, and I love her. I'm currently living in Mexico, so I miss her dearly because she's staying at my parents' house. Number 2 is I have bicycled from Seattle to San Diego. So about 1,000 miles. I did it in a month with one of my friends, and we did the whole thing, camping and staying with people, like random people, like couch surfing the whole way. It was an epic experience. Number 3, I used to teach English online. So before this business really started taking off, I was kind of like side hustling and teaching English online to Chinese students. No, I don't speak any Chinese, but it was super, super fun. And I would like play games, but because of the time difference, I'd have to wake up every morning at 3 a.m. and like sing and do all the things to teach these lessons, but it was really fun. Number 4, and I guess that kind of goes into it, I was a huge theater geek. Like, in high school and a little bit in college, I loved to act and be in shows and sing and dance and all the things. So I was a total theater geek back in high school. And number 5, I walked the Camino de Santiago, so 500 miles, and I did that one all by myself. And it was really great, starting in Lisbon, Portugal, and then making my way all the way up to Spain, and then the most eastern part of Spain called Finisterre. Just an epic experience, and one of those things when you can look back and be like, oh my gosh, I did that. Okay, so this is a really hard question, but I would have to say, like, my favorite food, like I couldn't have it all the time, but I absolutely love it, is a pizookie. If you've never had it, you have to try it. It's basically a pizza cookie, a freshly baked cookie that you don't like bake all the way, and it's like the size of a pizza. I really love chocolate chip, just like go traditional with it, with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Like, oh my gosh, so good. But as far as like a food that I genuinely eat every single day and could have for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, eggs. I really love eggs. They're just super simple. They've got protein. They just taste good. I love eggs. As far as least favorite food, I guess I'd have to go with lima beans. I'm not really sure why. I don't know if it's like I got it in my head since I was a kid that I don't like this vegetable, and I never really gave it a shot as an adult. I don't know if it's like waxy texture, whatever it is, I'm just not a huge fan of lima beans. Healthy tip, I would say the number one thing that you could start implementing into your life, the number one thing that I am constantly working on and always wanting to better myself with, and why I'm so proud to be in collaboration with the 8 app, is mindful eating, right? I really firmly believe it is not about what we eat, but more so about why and how we are eating. And just to remind ourselves that it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to actually have your fullness cues kick in. And it's really important for us to make meal experiences very mindful, to sit down, eat from a plate, eat slowly, set your fork down, taste, chew the food. I promise we're far more likely to feel satisfied with our meal, to not feel like the need to snack later on, and just to overall give yourself that time, that self-care time that you deserve. So that's the number one habit that I would highly recommend for everyone. Slow down, eat without distraction, eat mindfully. And if you want to learn a little bit more about me or connect with my group, I've also got a full 5-day mindful eating workshop. We go over all of the things such as how to cure late night snacking, how to overcome overeating, how to cope with emotions without using food, and how to make peace with your no stop or trigger foods. That whole workshop is absolutely free, and it's in my free Facebook group, Rediscover You, Healthy, Fit, and Free. And so if you'd like more information about that, I'll just leave the link right here. Would love to have you join us. And until then, may you be happy, healthy, and fulfilled. Mwah.